Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and watch YouTube on your LG Smart TV. So what you need to do is first grab your television remote and you just need to press the home button to bring up the LG home screen. Now right at the bottom down here you'll see a list of all the applications that we currently have installed on our TV. So if you don't already have YouTube inside of here, then what you first need to do is just make sure you're connected to the internet, and once you're connected to a network, what we need to do is scroll all the way across and head over to apps. From the top of apps we need to come over to the search icon and select this. You then just need to search for YouTube using this keyboard, and then we're going to go ahead and press search. As you can see down here in the apps section, this is going to bring up YouTube. So let's go ahead and select that. And then from this window, we just need to head over to install and click this. Now, this is a relatively small application, so it should only take a couple of seconds to download. And as you can see down here, it says application has been installed on the end of home. So if I come back over to the home screen of LG, just by pressing this home button here, you can see now down in the app section, if I scroll all the way across to the end, we have YouTube right at the end here. So if I just select that, we've now successfully installed YouTube on our LG Smart TV. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.